Hi, we're sisters, as you can see, and you are in our grandparents' bathroom. And today we are going to be doing some makeup stuff.
Yeah, because, like, she knows about makeup and I don't. Oh, I'm Alice.
And I'm Tony. And
we haven't decided what we're going to call this series yet, so...
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Look forward to that.
Okay, so she's going to go first, or I'm going to do her makeup first because I don't know anything about makeup, so I feel like I would get clues from her if I got mine done first, so let's go for it. Let's make it happen.
And over here, as you can see, I've arranged it a little bit to her benefit by like kind of what is happening. Also, if you're wondering who's behind the camera, it's our lovely cousin Olivia or our lovely cousin Jillian, depending on the shot.
Go. Your knees are beautiful, Jillian.
Thank you.
Okay, so...
Oh wait, actually, before we start, you're not using my Urban Decay palette because I don't trust you with it. I just got this beautiful new palette.
Oh, show it off.
For Christmas, and my sister
Hands off the Urban Decay,
is an
apparently.
amateur, so you're going to be using my cheap drugstore version. And yes, all of my makeup is incredibly cheap. I make minimum wage, so there's that.
And you're a baby.
Okay, what are you going to do first?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do first. So I feel like the thing that you do first is like something with foundation.
Yeah,
What is this?
that's BB cream.
This
so
is. Don't tell me. This is sunscreen. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So I'm gonna start with some sunscreen, and I'm just gonna rub in.
Oh my god, you're going to make a mess.
I'm gonna rub in some sunscreen.
Be careful not to get it everywhere. Can you even open that? Goddamn lesbians.
Lesbians, you know what? Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on like I would put on sunscreen.
Oh my god, if you...
I'm just gonna rub it in. Oh, you look so good.
Pray for me.
Girl.
Pray for me. Oh my god.
I don't even know what you're gonna get so shiny. How do they do it? How does anyone do it?
I mean, you're putting too much
A little voice whispered to me that I was putting too much on.
on. Also, there's other products that you can use on the face. So that's my only hint for you there.
Okay.
Am I beautiful yet?
I don't know what this is.
I don't know what this is, but I feel like it.
Just squeegee it around there. Really squeegee it.
I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, wait. I remember I did stage makeup like many times as a youngster, so
Yeah, just do me like those stage girls.
just do like Moulin Rouge.
Also, please do not poke me in the contact lens.
Okay, I'm trying to be like gentle, so
You don't have to be gentle with my face. My face can take it, just not my contact lens.
your face can take it.
Oh yeah, you don't even understand.
I'm sorry.
So I just felt just a dot happen and...
Wait, hold still. Stop talking. Don't speak. No tears, just dreams now.
Offended her. Yeah, you did. Take it back.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was wrong.
No, I'm just...
What does this do?
And you're
Don't
not...
tell me. Don't tell me what it does.
But you're gonna use it wrong, and I really don't want you to get powdery. Oh my god.
Do I have your consent?
Go for it. I'll clean it.
Mish.
Did you just say mush?
She did. Mish. Oh, you look healthy. You look beautiful and healthy.
Have I ever been healthier?
Mush.
She's saying mush. Like,
Okay,
this is a thing.
now I think it's time to move on from this. Eyebrow powder? I've never
Alright, choose a brush.
heard of that before.
There might or may not be... Ooh. What gave it away?
Nothing. I just grabbed the nearest brush.
That was the right one, though. You did a
Okay.
good job.
Eyebrow.
And I think it also
powder?
says... Yeah, it's really faded, but it did say eyebrows
Well,
in it
it's
at one point.
small. It's small.
Yeah.
So I figured it probably wasn't for this. And I've never seen anybody apply lip makeup with a brush before, so...
Oh, it's a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you totally can.
Oh.
But you're not putting any of my brushes in lipstick.
Eyebrow powder? Sure. Let's do this, boys. Let's do this.
Oh my god. I am now broke.
I swear to God, I'm not doing this on purpose. I just literally have no idea what I'm doing.
She also has awful hand-eye coordination, but she can't help that.
I'm an artist. I have great hand-eye coordination.
Ride right now.
Okay, the second one is so much better. Wow.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can open your eyes.
Actually, I feel like I don't want to. Like, you're
Actually,
impressed.
I'm impressed, actually.
Olivia's impressed.
Olivia's impressed. I think I did a good job on
Yeah,
that.
not terrible.
Okay, could be worse. Could be worse.
Well done.
Now let's look at is this the mascara?
Yeah.
I guessed right on the first try, you guys.
I'm gonna let her do my mascara, but I'm putting myself in God's hands right now. Kit, which actually works pretty well.
Smashbox. I like the way that sounds. How do you open it?
It's a twist. It's just square.
Oh.
A square twist, one might say.
Okay, yeah, nope, we're not, nope, I'm just gonna put that
So
away.
you think gloss is harder to work with?
I don't even know what that is.
It was gloss.
Matte lipstick. Oh, well, hi, nice to meet you, Matt. My name's Alice.
A smaller mirror that
Alright, filming.
Okay, she's
Okay.
gonna look at herself in the mirror now.
Actually, give me the Urban Decay palette because that has a good mirror in it, and I want to like see the full effect, you know. Before I do this, I want to let you know that no Alices were harmed in the making of this video, and if my face is severely messed up, no matter how mad I am, I will not hurt her.
Wow, that's...
Probably.
Oh!
So it's not terrible.
So tell me what I did wrong.
So let's start from the top.
Yeah.
With the foundation. Now, I really liked your approach of just using your fingers.
Okay.
I think you got a little bit of a patchy coverage with that. I would have loved some setting powder after you had done my foundation.
What the fuck is setting powder?
You will see, my dear. Let's go on to the eyes. You did a surprisingly good job with
Right?
with
Right.
the
Well, thanks, guys.
I mean, this is not great. It kind of going onto my nose. It's kind of going on an adventure, but you know, follow your dreams. The eyebrows, there's just a like, I do actually have a freckle in my eyebrow, but this is not it. It's over here. This is just her masterful artwork. And so the lips. So why I said this is a matte lipstick and that's important. Matte lipstick is wicked waxy and like it's supposed to be full coverage. You didn't quite achieve that with this look. Also, you know, the top of my lip is just kind of hanging out like naked, and she kind of feels embarrassed about that. But like,
Tell her I'm sorry.
overall, I'd give this look like a 4 out of 10. Like I would wear it if I was really drunk and like in a club and it was dark. Like totally dark. You couldn't see my face.
Like power outage. Like
Yeah.
no light at
Yeah.
all. I mean, we
Seems
were
good.
drunk in a club and it was just completely dark.
All right. Now it's your turn, and I'm gonna do you in this beautiful makeup so that you can just look at your masterpiece as I'm doing your makeup. You excited?
Okay.
Okay, we are back. It is now my turn, and lovely Alice is in the hot seat. Now first,
I have a lot of flaws to cover.
we're gonna just remove the glasses, and this is an integral part because Alice really can't see without her glasses. So now she's truly in my hands. How does it feel?
I feel weirdly like I can trust you.
Crazy. I mean, after this look, who wouldn't trust me? No, I'm actually gonna do a good job. So first, I'm gonna go in with some primer. A lot of my stuff is by e.l.f. because they're cheap, but they're like reliable. Not necessarily good, but reliable.
Hey, we're not gonna get any sponsorships if you say that stuff is bad.
I didn't say it was bad. I
We're
just
not
said
gonna
it's not
ever,
necessarily
we're not even gonna
good.
get any sponsorships.
Who is sponsoring us? Like
no one's
freaking-
watching us.
Freaking the city of New York, because I mentioned them once in a video. Like,
What
who's
is-
watching us?
Okay, so primer, yes.
This is
I
primer.
didn't touch that.
No, it feels a little bit oily going on, right? And it has a nice smell, but I promise it'll work out. So that way, you don't look like somebody just swiped some stuff on your face and told you were good to go, because nobody would do that, would they?
Except for me.
Yeah, kinda. A little bit. So, the thing about foundation is that it looks really weird before you're done with it. And Alice never actually finished my foundation. So it looked really weird anyway. I'm gonna switch to this side. But you need it. It's the building block of a full face.
Like the cell is the building block of life.
Very good.
Wait, if the foundation is the cell, then what's the mitochondria?
You're the mitochondria.
That doesn't make any sense.
Exactly. The analogy was not supposed to make sense. I didn't even know where you were going with it in the first place, so you caught me off guard. Your analogy caught me off guard.
Sorry. I'm known for my attacks of analogy.
Your attack of analogy. This is your trap card.
You've activated my trap card.
It's using a weird and useless analogy.
Hey! It's not useless if it trips you up.
Okay, so we're gonna finish this off. Look at me. So now she looks a little bit like a doll and a little creepy, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that. So up next, we're gonna be using my concealer, my lovely concealer.
Okay, so I got the foundation and concealer like in the right order.
Yes. You missed a few steps in between, like the blending and the using the primer and using the right amount of product or the product.
I
at
did
all.
good, okay?
You tried your best, my friend. Okay, look up with your eyes, not with your face.
What else do you look with?
Oh my god. No, don't close your eyes. I won't poke you. Don't do it. Trust me. Trust me. It's fine. I do this all the time. I do this on my mom, and she's really blinky. My mother is a lovely woman, and I love her very much, but she's really hard to do makeup on. All right, now we're gonna blend that out. Open your eyes. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. Relax. Relax. You're in good hands. I got you. It's okay. You gotta keep your eyes open. You're gonna freaking kill yourself if you don't keep your eyes open. Relax. So as you can see, my soothing techniques have really helped. And I should pretty much just become a psychologist right now and cure world hunger because I'm so good.
Hunger isn't a psychological issue.
Maybe it is though, because I don't have any eye primer with me right now.
Oh god.
You're fine. Isn't that so relaxing when I just scream at you, you're fine?
Yeah, the most relaxing thing.
So I'm not gonna bother with doing like a bunch of concealer because Alice, as
I have
lovely as
too
she
many
is,
flaws.
well, you just have a lot of breakouts, which is fine. I mean, we all have different skin types. So I'm just gonna do a little bit on the chin,
I
a little
have
bit
too
on the
many
nose,
flaws to conceal.
a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the nose, and a little bit on kind of the top of the forehead where it's most prominently forward, which kind of acts as a highlight as well. What?
All of your flaws.
Copyright! Copyright! You can't sing that! We love you. What is that? Is that Bastille? Am I crazy?
Bitch, yes!
Oh.
How do you not know?
Because I got Bastille and Hosier mixed up, and I know you're gonna
They're
get really
so
mad at me.
different.
I know
Hosier
they're really
is
different.
a lesbian icon. No, that's not true. He's just a man.
But I know they're really different, but like I get them mixed up. I don't know why. Their voices sometimes sound similar in certain songs. In certain
No, man.
contexts.
Bastille is like sad beat boop.
Yeah.
And Hosier is like an Irishman that thinks he's from the antebellum South.
I mean, me too. Who isn't an Irishman who thinks they're from the antebellum South? Now we're gonna do.
99.9% of
So now we're gonna do the most important step, which you completely missed, and this is what makes the like foundation and stuff look like it's like cohesive. I'm not baking because screw that.
You're not smoking pot? What?
No, I don't do that either. But you might need some pot after this because you're gonna realize how much of a failure you are at makeup. Just saying. What do they want? Okay. You look beautiful. Nice and blended.
Okay.
This is about me, not you. We have the first layer complete. Now, I'm not going to do any contouring on Alice because as you can see, she kind of looks like a starvation
I've got
victim.
cheekbones
She's got
that
pretty
can
good
kill a man.
cheekbones. Yeah, ignore the color difference once again. Couldn't color match. So, I'm just going to move on to a little bit of blush. Got a little bit of highlight.
You just gotta get me a Steve Jobs turtleneck so no one can see my pasty neck.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I mean, can we have one of those flown in? Just like
Just airdropped.
airdrop to us? I mean, I'm pretty sure Amazon can do that now, so.
Kurt.
Smile.
We just watched the Circle, so.
That movie, it was really creepy. Just proved my point about Find My Friends. Am I right or am I right? Don't track me! Don't track me. Now, we are going to move on to the most exciting part, which is my new palette. This is Distortion by Urban Decay.
Who gave it to you?
Who gave it to me? My lovely aunties, who are also the parents of my cousins.
You can see me in the mirror.
Say hi, Jilly. Say hi, Olivia.
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful. So this palette I'm very excited about because it's expensive and that makes me happy. And it's also very good quality because Urban Decay knows how to fuck with it. So
What does that even mean?
I don't know. What does it mean, Alice? Tell me.
I asked first. Oh, I just.
We can cut that.
We're responsible and reasonable human beings who don't laugh when somebody farts.
I laughed after you laughed.
No, we gotta keep that in. I'm proud of my cast.
All of your flaws.
Oh no.
Okay. So
Is this a good time to mention that I'm worried that I'm not doing a very good filming job?
I think you're doing great.
You're probably doing fantastic.
Wonderful.
So, to complement Alice's complexion, which is kind of pale, and she has yellow undertones, we're gonna go in with kind of this set here, the brownie oranges, and bleach, which is just a beautiful highlight color.
Bleach?
It's the name of the makeup, not
Bleach?
I'm not putting bleach on your face, okay? Also, one of the things I love about this palette is it has a freaking matte black included called Blackout. I'm so excited about that. That's amazing. But I'm not going to use that on her because it'll get messy.
Blackout, aka the only condition under which you would wear this look.
Exactly.
That I gave you.
Exactly. It all connects. So next, I'm going to go for the eyebrows. Now, Alice, my friend, she has very dark hair. Much darker than mine. So I'm just going to use my black eyeshadow. It's cheap. And you're just going to kind of go with the small strokes with the direction of the hair. And then make sure to get kind of the downward, the arch. Because otherwise you're going to look like Brock. Also,
What's the matter with looking like Brock?
You don't want to. That's what's the matter.
Brock is beautiful.
Also, I need to tweeze Alice's eyebrows really badly, so
Hey, I like my stray hairs.
that is okay. if you
I'm
don't
a
think she-
hairy bitch and I appreciate that about myself.
You're Harry Potter? She's Harry Potter, confirmed! Confirmed!
No. I don't have a wand. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! I'm here all week. Tip
Okay,
your wages.
stop. Seriously, do tip your waitress, though. I work a minimum wage job and nobody tips me. I'm not a waitress, though. Okay.
Get to see the look.
All right, here you go. Look closely. I know you can't see very well.
That's a lot of foundation.
Well, yeah. I wanted to cover up the redness, and remember, we're not the same color, technically.
Yeah, that's true. I do like it, though. I like the eyes. I think the eyes look really good. But I'm gonna wash it off immediately.
I know, you really don't like foundation. You're not a foundation fan.
My skin just looks, like, gross with foundation on. But you did great. You did a great job, Tony.
Thanks.
I think I look beautiful.
Go.
So be sure to like and subscribe.
I know.
She literally, before we started filming, was like, we're not going to say be sure to like and subscribe.
That's the worst.
No one's even watching this, so
I
there's
know.
no point.
Well,
but I
that's
was going
fine.
to say it anyway.
So thank you so much for watching,
No
and
one's
we
watching.
hope you enjoyed us really dicking
We hope
around.
you had a really horrible time.
Yeah, we hope you feel pain watching
You
this.
suck.
No, you don't suck. It's all fine. All right, bye.